Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about tofu, and I have a list of tips and ideas for you for using tofu. So if you're new to using it, hopefully this will help you out. This list was mighty long, so I broke it up into 3 parts. This is the 3rd video in this series, and I will have links to the part 1 and the part 2 video in the description box below. Please make sure you watch all 3 videos so you can get all the tips and ideas that we have here for using tofu. Why not make a dip for fresh fruit by blending tofu with a fruit puree and vanilla or almond extract? Make a parfait by layering tofu that has been blended with fruit, then crushed cookies, granola, or toasted graham crackers. Marinate tofu cubes, then skewer with vegetables for grilled kebabs. When blended, tofu has a creamy texture, so it can readily be used in a mousse or pudding, and even as a substitute for ricotta cheese in lasagna or stuffed pasta shells. Boiling tofu can help improve its texture. Cube the tofu while bringing a pot of generously salted water to a boil. Add the prepared tofu and boil it in the salted water for 2 minutes. This will make the cubed tofu chewier and better able to absorb flavors. Press your tofu to remove excess water, then soak it with a steak marinade. Grill the marinated tofu with onions and barbecue sauce and serve it on a toasted bun. Coat your pressed tofu with cornstarch, pan fry it, and serve it with honey mustard. Add sweet potato fries as a side dish and it will remind you of chicken nuggets. Replace chicken parmesan with pressed tofu that's been coated with an Italian marinade mix and breadcrumbs. Bake or fry it as you would chicken. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.